Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to make charts in Excel. Charts are a great way to turn raw data into something visual and easy to understand. First, open your Excel file and enter your data in rows and columns. For example, you could have months listed in one column and sales numbers in the next. Now, highlight the data you want to use for your chart. Once it's selected, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Here you'll see a different chart. Options like column charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Choose the one that best fits your data. For example, a column chart is great for comparisons, while a line chart is better for showing trends over time. Click on the chart type you want. Excel will automatically create it for you. Once the chart appears, you can customize it. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to change the style, colors, labels, and even add titles. If you need to adjust which data is shown, just right-click on the chart and choose Select Data to make changes. And that's it. You now know how to make a chart in Excel to bring your numbers to life visually.